Hello and welcome. It's another edition of Victor Isibo Reviews. As usual, I'm your regular host, Victor Isibo, the face and the voice behind Victor Isibo Reviews. This channel is in the business of keeping you informed and making you a better version of yourself in all ramifications on a daily basis. If stuff like this is something you like, I invite you to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Turn on the bell notification icon, put it on all so that you don't miss any of my subsequent videos. And to my returning subscribers and viewers, salute. It's a pleasure having you back on this YouTube channel. Today we're going to be reviewing Swapnex.io. Let me put up a disclaimer. I'm not an investment advisor. Do your own due diligence. I will not be responsible for any profits made or any losses incurred as a result of you interacting with my content. Now that that disclaimer is out of the way, let's get right to it. I first of all want to apologize on behalf of Swapnex for this annoying pop-up here. I've been trying to get rid of it because as we go on with this review, it's going to be obstructing some of the letterings that you're supposed to see and read, but I'm going to be straining my eyes and I'm going to reading them out for you. Okay, if I swapped to portrait mode, they're not going to be there, but when I come back to landscape mode, it's just going to pop up like that. So apologies. Okay, so what is Swapnex? Okay, they said you see, it's interacting with it already. Like I said, you see, it's interacting. Okay, so it says it's multifunctional. Okay, they are multifunctional. They are an arbitrage trading platform. Okay, they say you access Binance, Coinbase, Bithumb, Kraken, and other world's biggest exchanges via one platform. Okay. They said they have a sophisticated arbitrage trading system. Swapnex allows traders to sell and buy crypto within seconds at several currency exchanges concurrently. Okay. We placed all the widely used currency exchanges on one website, allowing traders to quickly open and close orders for the most beneficial prices. Okay, arbitrage is that opportunity for you to spot, even if there are marginal differences in prices across different exchanges. For instance, if you can find, for instance, a particular crypto coin at 0.031, okay, and you find it somewhere else at 0.030, okay, that means you can buy from one exchange at 0.030 and go and sell at 0.031. Then you make a profit of 0.001 immediately, you know. But of course you have to factor in the fact that those exchanges are going to have some charges, deposit and withdrawal charges, which might deplete or completely obliterate whatever earnings you make from the arbitrage. But you know, these guys are certain that you can earn from arbitrage on their website. Okay, so we keep scrolling. They talk about their products. They talk about manual trading, where you choose a currency pair, analyze the prices, and trade crypto on your own. Okay, they have auto trading, where you rely on AI solutions and allow them to trade and generate profits for you. And of course, you have the action plan, where you upgrade your account to get a pack of manual or auto trading services. Okay, you have the upgrade plan, where you improve one specific order to get maximum profit and get bonuses. Okay, you talk about their number of transactions in the last 24 hours, 543. Registered traders 65,329. That's it. So here are the available plans. Okay, you have the free plan. Having registered as a user has the free plan. Activate other plans to improve your account and open profitable features. Okay, so the free plan, you have 1 order per day. You have access to 6 exchanges. Your order processing time is 24 hours. Withdrawal commissions is 0. Auto trading, yes. Upgrades, no. Personal manager, no. Okay, so you have no account officer attached to you when you're on the free package. Okay, when you're on the starter package, okay, you have 2 orders per day. You have access to 9 exchanges. Order processing time is 12 hours. Withdrawal commissions is 0. Auto trading, yes. Upgrades, no. Personal manager, no. And it's for $200. Okay, for that package. Okay, the personal package, you have 3 orders per day. You have access to 12 exchanges. Okay, you know that when you have the higher the number of exchanges you have access to, the higher your ability to get more opportunities for the arbitrage. Okay, order processing time is 8 hours. Withdrawal commission 0. Auto trading, yes. No upgrades, no personal manager. Then the professional, you have 4 orders per day, 15 exchanges available to you, 6 hours processing time, 0 commission, yes to auto trading, no upgrades, yes to personal manager. For the personal profile, of course, it is $500 that you need to participate in that, and for the professional, you need to pay $1,500. Okay, that's the highest package. Okay, where you have a personal manager. So it's only the professional KEDA that has a personal manager. Okay, so very quickly, I want us to look at the frequently asked questions on this platform before I now give my conclusion about this, guys. They say, what is Swapnex? It says Swapnex Pty Limited is a trading company that is engaged in cryptocurrency arbitrage trading. Swapnex allows traders from the whole globe to access the world's biggest currency exchanges and buy and sell crypto for the most favorable prices. Here you can do both manual and auto crypto trading. Okay. Is your company officially registered? They said yes. Swapnex is officially registered in Australia. We are headquartered in Blockchain Center, level 12 to 26, Park Street, Sydney, NSW 2000, Australia. Okay, they say Swapnex has all the necessary permits to be engaged in cryptocurrency arbitrage trading and receive and manage users' funds. The company registration number is 646-838-753. Okay. I know that the body in charge of regulations, securities regulations in Australia is the Australian Securities and Investment Commission, ASIC. So I'm not going to take Swapnex's word for it that they are registered. I am going to run to ASIC website, their registry. Let me check and see if I can confirm that Swapnex Pty Limited is actually registered, and reconcile the registration number as it was provided on their website. So here is the website of ASIC, the Australian Securities and Investment Commissions. I searched for Swapnex, and here are the details that showed up. Okay, and here is also the registration number, as indicated on Swapnex website, 646-838-753. You can see that they are properly regulated. Okay, so that's it about Swapnex, and I am going to counterpunch now and give you my final say about this company called Swapnex. Okay, I think that first of all, I like the fact that they are into arbitrage. It's innovative. I think their modus operandi is clear. This is what we do. Okay, and arbitrage is something that is actually brilliant, and they have manual trading opportunities. They have the auto trading opportunity as well. Okay, to make money. Okay, and number two is the fact that they are registered with ASIC. I mean, that is impressive. They're registered with the Australian Securities and Investments Commissions, like we saw. That means they did not lie about being registered. Okay, that is beautiful as well. What I don't like is the fact that we are not told the people, the faces behind this company. They did not tell us that, oh, XYZ is the CEO, ABC is a co-founder. Nothing of that sort is being revealed to us. And it is not a mistake, guys. It's a deliberate thing, okay? We do not know the team behind this particular business, okay? We do not know the CEO, we do not know the key people, okay? Then again, their office address looks to me like a virtual address. Okay, why do you run a virtual address as your headquarters? Your headquarters is actually a virtual address. I find that strange as well. And of course, being registered with ASIC, it shows that, okay, you have some papers to tender. You have people who are fronting for the company, okay? But those people, unfortunately, have refused to identify themselves or reveal themselves to investors that are interacting with Swapnex, okay? It's not a guarantee to be registered with ASIC. No, it's not a guarantee. It doesn't mean that ASIC is vouching for you or endorsing you that you are legitimate. Okay? It just shows a certain level of seriousness. Okay, so generally on the scale of 1 to 10, I want to rate Swapnex a 5 because of the fact that I like their modus operandi. I like the fact that they made effort to be registered with ASIC. They lost 5 marks because, come on, we do not know who is running this platform. We don't know who the developers of the auto trading robot is. We do not know the face, the team behind this project. I think that's a red flag. Okay, so it's a 50-50 thing for you guys to interact with this website, and I think that it's a 50-50 thing. Okay, that's how I put it. I rate them a 5 over 10. The gray areas is that, I don't know those that are running the company, honestly. That makes me feel uncomfortable. Yes, that makes me feel uncomfortable. But in the comment section below, Swapnex guys, affiliates, network marketers, promoters of Swapnex, you can explain to me why the team behind this awesome project is not being reviewed. Okay, but that'll be all for my Swapnex review. If you like this video, give it a like so that the algorithm of YouTube will recommend it to more and more people. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so up until this point. Till I see you in the next one. I remain Victor Esibo. It is bye for now.